a German guy arrives in Paris and he's thinking, oh my god, I always want to know how this French seduce the woman because they're supposed to be the best lovers in the world and stuff like that. So okay, he's finding this really French guy sitting on a terrace, and he said to him, excuse me sir, could you please learn me how do you French seduce the woman? And the French is going like that. Ah, alors, you want to know how we seduce the woman, huh? Well, of course, I can tell you, but you have to listen very carefully, huh? Well, it goes like that. Par exemple, comme maintenant, you sit on the terrace and the weather is beautiful, and the girls are walking past by and they are wearing these short dresses, and they are looking magnifique. And you choose one of them, and you say to her, ah, mademoiselle, would you like to drink something with me? And she says, oh, oui, d'accord. And then you order, alors, of this part is very important. You order 2 glasses of our best champagne, Dom Perignon. Alors, after the first glass, she's starting to relax and she starts to laugh and to look like that. This is going very well. And then you say to her like, oh, mademoiselle, the weather is so beautiful, and the birds are singing and the sun is shining. Shall we make a walk in the park? And then you take her hand and you walk in the park, and alors, it's magnifique, it's going very well, and she's like doing with her hair like that, you know, okay. Then you sit at this petit peu terrace and you order. Alors, this part encore is very important. You order another 2 glasses of our best champagne, Dom Perignon. Well, after the second glass, she starts to relax a little bit more, and she starts to touch your knee like that, and it's going like magnifique. Well, and then you say to her like, oh, mademoiselle, the life is so short, and I think this is something special growing between you and me, and I just feel it, and this is meant to be, and we should order a room in a palace hotel, the biggest and the most expensive palace hotel in the whole Paris. Well, you order the biggest room, the bridal room, and you call the room service. Alors, this part encore is very important. You order the whole bouteille of Dom Perignon. Of course, it's very expensive, but it doesn't. I don't care because we French, we don't care about the money. And the bouteille arrive, and you shake the bouteille, and you open it, and the whole champagne ejaculates all over her body. And her dress is sticking to her breast, and she starts to scream. And you throw it on the bed, you rip the dress, and this is the moment supreme when you take her. Well, alors, do you understand how we French seduce the woman? The German guy at this point is looking like that, and he's saying, okay, aber ich habe eine Frage, ja? Eine Frage. Kann man das auch mit B machen?